Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. In today's video, we are going to make a program for printing the alphabet number triangle. So what is it? I am going to write comment and I will write on Visual Studio Code. Okay. So it is my kindly request to you all. You practice with me so that your coding skill will be improved and you can learn this topic in a better way in one go only. If you have this application, then you open it, and if you have not, then you can open online Java compiler. Now without wasting any time, let's get started. I'm going to write file name here, alphabet number triangle, alphabet number triangle. Okay, dot java. Okay, so I'm going to explain what is the problem first, and then I will write code, and then I will execute the code, and after that I will write comment for each line of the code so that your concept will clear and you will think, you can learn how I have used the logics or line of code to execute these things. Okay, so I need to insert it. I need to first explain the problem. Okay, so if you will enter in input, if you will enter number of rows, approx not approx, like a 5, you want to enter number of rows in the triangle. So what should be the answer is, in in first row it will should be 1, and in another one it will be like this, and in the third row it will be like 1, 2, 3. In fourth row it will be A, B, C, D. In fifth row it will be 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this will be going to our output. We are going to write code for these things. Okay, to execute these things. Okay, so I need to take user input, so that's why I'm going to import a scanner class. So I need to write here import java dot util dot scanner. Then I need to write here what psvm, that is public static void main, and then I need to write here object for the scanner class, scanner st is equals to new scanner system dot in system dot in and then I need to write here sort enter number of rows in the triangle. Okay, alphabet and number triangle. Okay, so we need to take that number of rows with the help of variable n. So I need to write here n is equals to sc dot next int, and then I need to write here another output statement to show the result. So I need to write here below is the alphabet number triangle. Okay, so I need to write here code. I need to write here main logic. So I need to write here for int I is equals to 1, I less than equals to n, and I plus plus, and then I need to initialize a variable int a is equals to 1, okay, so that it can repeat in each row. Okay, and then I need to write here another for loop for int j is equals to 1 and j less than equal to I and j plus plus. Then I need to check if I means row is divided by and I modulus of I is not equals to be 0. Okay, then we need to print here out what we need to print a control z. We need to print here a with one space. Okay, and if else what I need to print out. First I need to convert the number in sky value to print the alphabet in odd. See, it is the what it is odd row. Okay, number is coming in the odd row and alphabet coming in the what it is row even row. So these things we have to keep in mind while solving this uh, problem. So I need to write here first char ch is equals to char of char of what a plus 64. Okay, and then it's done. Here I am converting 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 sky in here I am converting in character of each value of sky value of uppercase letter. Okay, these are making e plus 64 is making the uppercase letter of alphabet. Okay, so if you don't know, then I will write here sky value of capital A is 65 and sky value of small a is 97, and uh, and for V it is 966, and it continue it's also, and for B is 98 and it's also continue. Okay, what is the sky value? Sky value is the sky value is the American standard standard code for information interchange. Okay, so if I want to print the alphabet in the particular row, so we need to first convert the particular number into sky value of uppercase alphabet, because I am going to print uppercase alphabet. You, if you want to print lowercase alphabet, then you will be use here what, 96, because it's start from 97. A starts from 97. Okay, smallest alphabet starts from 97. So if you want to print a small alphabet in the even row in the triangle, then you have to use here 96. I will be use for practical. Okay. Okay, first I am going to write for capital letter. Okay, so I need to uh, I have written here, and I need to, I have already checked if row is odd. If row is odd, then you have to print the number. Okay, and if row, and else in if row means row is going to even, so we need to print character with one space. Okay, and after that I need to increase a by 1. Okay, and then I need to print what, one one line, so that cursor can go in next row. Okay, after printing number or alphabet in the particular row. Okay, it can go or move in the next row. That's why you have to print this ln system dot out dot print ln. Okay, and then I need to write here sc dot close, so that memory leak can be void. Okay, then I'm going to run it, and after that I will write comment for understanding of each things. Okay, here I need to move this. Okay, you can see it is coming. Okay, it is coming, bro. Here, see, you can, yeah, enter number of rows in the alphabet number triangle. So I need to enter 5. Okay, see, I have not removed this ln, that's why it's problem coming like this. Okay, now you will see this will be correct. Enter number of rows, I am entering 5. You can see in first row it is number, in second row it is alphabet, in third row it is also number, in fourth row it is alphabet, in fifth row it is number, in sixth row if you I have entered, then it will print what, alphabet in the sixth row. Okay, see, I am going to enter it another user input. Okay, if I am entering 6, then you can see this is alphabet in the sixth row. Okay, so our code is working perfectly. Now I'm going to write comment for each thing, so that your concept will be clear. A scanner class, why I'm using, you write first. Okay, and try to match with this one. Okay, a scanner class we are using for what, you, for taking use scanner class using for taking user input, and then this is the what, this is file name where our code is going to save. Okay, as you know, this is the main method from where each line of code is going to execute. Okay, This is the what object creation of of object creation of scanner class object, scanner class object. This is the asking to user what, this is the message to user for asking number of rows to enter, to or asking user, asking message to user for asking number of rows to enter. Okay, number of rows, and we are storing storing number of rows in the variable n. Okay, and this is what message to show result statement. Okay, and this is the uppercase loop, upper loop to control of what rows in the triangle. Okay, this is the variable a initialize for each each row, variable a initialize for each row, and this is the inner loop, inner 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 loop, which will print, which is printing number or alphabet in each row equal to equal to number of row, number of I. Okay, equal to the number of I. And what is this doing? Converting in character of each value of sky value of uppercase letter. Okay, and here is if I is, I means what, if row is odd, then print then print odd, then print number, printing a with one space. Okay, else means what, if number, if row is odd, then print alphabet in the row. Okay, then print, and here is printing character with one space. Okay, and incrementing one by one, so it can move on another number or character. Okay, and after printing number of after what after printing number or alphabet alphabet in each row in each row, it can move in another another next row. After printing number or alphabet in each row, it can move in another row. Cursor. What is talking about? It means cursor can move in another next row. That's why I have written this line, and then we are closing scanner class object to avoid memory leaks. Okay, that's why I have written these things. Okay, and now I hope you have understand the logics, the code, the comment, and execution also. I'm going to execute it once. After that, I will close it, and you have to do dry run with your own yourself, so that your concept will clear and you will be able to make logics for problem like this. Okay, so you have to do dry run. I'm going to enter another number, like I'm going to enter 8. So you can see here, here the row which is odd, in that number is number has printed, and in even row alphabet has printed. Okay, so thank you everyone, have a nice day, and we will meet in another video. And till then, you have to do dry run, do code, and you have to revise previous lectures, and you have to revise previous code also. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, thank you, bye. I'm going to close it. It is coming. What, man? Don't worry, they will come. It's not, our cursor is not moving right now, so you can leave. Okay, if it will move, I will close it. Where is the cursor? Oh, here. It is coming. It is loading right now. can see. Oh, okay, now it should come. Bro, you can leave. Okay, when it will come, I'll close it. Okay, come, bro. What is?